Hello, this is a quick public service announcement from me, Miss Bitcoin, and my friends at escapethetechnocracy.com. This is for anyone who uses a Coldcard hardware wallet, especially the Mark III. That's this one here. And you can see the model number by looking at the back or by looking at your email receipt from when you bought it. But also, this affects people with the Mark IV, Mark V, and Q models. So anyone with a Coldcard, listen up. This is important. 2 days ago, on July the 30th, 2026, it became public that Coldcard had a vulnerability that meant between 2021 and 2026, their wallets generated weak seed phrases. Now, if you know about Bitcoin, then the seed phrase is the identity of your wallet. These 12 words can be used anywhere by anyone and they can have access to your wallet. The only thing that keeps it secure is how many possible combinations there are. And there's a lot, as many combinations as atoms in the known universe. But there are different levels of randomness. In the case of Coldcard, the wallet was using a predictable pattern. There was still randomness, but it wasn't strong randomness. So attackers, probably using AI, discovered the pattern and then stole more than 500 Bitcoin worth around $38 million in less than 30 minutes. The number has doubled to 1,000 plus since I started recording this video, and it will probably more by the time you watch this. There is no reason it won't increase. That's insane. So, what to do? First, if you've used any Coldcard to generate your seed phrase, then you should take action. But do not do anything rash and messed up. If you use dice or use a passphrase, it somewhat mitigate this attack, but you should still consider moving your funds to a new device. The next step is to create a new wallet on a new device. Maybe you have Trezor or a Ledger or a Foundation Passport. You can use that. Just make sure it's not a Coldcard and that it's offline. For this new wallet, you should create a new seed phrase, of course. Just don't wait. Create a new wallet as soon as you can. Once you create the new wallet, you should move your funds from the Coldcard wallet to this new wallet. But before they back up everything, make sure you can recover it. Start with a small amount to make sure you understand how it works. Then you can make a larger transfer until you transfer all of your Bitcoin. Be aware that sending everything at once will degrade your privacy. But in this case, security of your fund is more important.